a benefit as a problem. But in Germany, people wouldn't understand it, Japan or Canada, Emirates, as the marketplace grows and your expertise grows as well. So now is the best and easiest time to start on those secondary markets. So your product research is actually completely dependent on the marketplace where you want to start. Cheers! How do I start on Amazon FBA my own private label product? What's the shortcut or the easiest way to get rolling? Today I will answer the question for you. Well, there are actually two questions to be answered before the start. Which Amazon market and which product? And first of all, you should ask yourself and understand where you want to start selling on Amazon, since Amazon has now over 20 countries and marketplaces where you can become a seller. The most known ones are USA, UK and Germany. The US market is the biggest one and has the highest demand. It's roughly 10 times bigger than Germany, the second largest market in the Amazon ecosystem. However, this might be as well a benefit as a problem, since most sellers are focused on those big markets where they have the share of the pie. So most sellers tend to oversee the smaller or less known Amazon marketplaces and push all in one direction. And what do they find there? The highest competition in the e-commerce world and the winner takes all attitude on long term. So it's a rough environment for the big guys and big budget most of the time. If you're just starting on Amazon world, I would recommend you to look around, pay more attention to less popular Amazon marketplaces like Japan or Canada, Emirates. There you will find a double-digit marketplace growth year over year and much less competition. This means you can start with less knowledge and less money and succeed at the beginning, then scale up your business as the marketplace grows and your expertise grows as well. So you can start small and grow with the market. Ride the Amazon wave and don't run into the tsunami. So recommendation number one is pick the right market where you want to start. If you need personal recommendation from me, check out Amazon Japan, and after you picked your Amazon marketplace, now you can start researching a product specific on this marketplace. For example, if you decide to start on Amazon Emirates, then you would also start your product research on Amazon Emirates and check out the demand, competition and profitability on this particular market. Researching products became much easier nowadays, as Helium 10 is also working now in Canada, Japan and Emirates already. And you have the same data transparency that you would have for USA or Germany. 6 months ago, that was not possible and the tools did not work. So now is the best and easiest time to start on those secondary markets like Japan, Canada or Emirates. So your product research is actually completely dependent on the marketplace where you want to start, and a lot of products can work on one marketplace but don't work on another. For example, a beer shaker. It's a small vibrating platform where you can put your beer glass on top and it forces the beer to shake and produce more foam. So you can sell a beer shaker in Japan where they love the beer foam, maybe even more than the beer itself. But in Germany people wouldn't understand it, since in Germany a lot of foam is actually a bad sign about your pouring skills. So different cultures, different habits and different products. I would love to hear from you which interesting products you find on different marketplaces. Please share your ideas and finds below in comments. See you on the next episode of Amazon Real Talk. Take action, the obstacle is the way. Cheers!